2012 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys, he still got the factory converters there and there. Then the dreaded third cat over here, 3-inch pipe. He had a cutout and CARVEN exhaust that we did on it and a dump. But the cutout blew out for him. So he's like, I'm done with it. So we reused the CARVEN Type R for him right there and put 3-inch pipe out the side with a blue flame double wall tip. There it is, right there. Double tip. Came out really nice, really clean. Out the side pipes. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Chevy Silverado. Oh, that's better. It's CARVEN with side pipe. Again. There's a sound decibels on it. Again. That's not bad. It quieted it down a lot, right? It's like the third time we switch it up for him. Go ahead and back it out. CARVEN exhaust, baby. Side pipes. I like it. Sounds good. Got a nice idle to it too. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Silverado side pipes. You guys can see them right there. Ooh.